When should I use self-targeting campaigns and what benefits do they provide? So let's talk about self-targeting campaigns, what these are. As I was mentioning, in Scalable, we're running 5 different types of strategies. Protect, which means that we are protecting our own brand name and our branded keywords. And this is the self-targeting campaign that they are talking about. When should you use these strategies? I would say always, even from the beginning, when you're just launching your product, and just run these campaigns. The reason why I'm saying this is because we have the second strategy, which is Conquer, which is specifically we're targeting branded terms and products that where we have a competitive advantage against, right? And brand names is also from their product is also something that we would be targeting. And if we are running ads, but you're not running ads, our product is going to show up, not yours. So you should be running these from day one, I believe. And what benefits do they provide? So first off, if someone is running already ads for your products and you are going to run ads for your products as well, your ads, Amazon is going to favor your ads before theirs, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing, your bids are going to be way lower for your own brand, usually, than if someone else is bidding for your keywords and for your brand.